Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia Dutton and today I'm going to be talking to you about BoxyCharm. So this is the November box and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and also trying on whatever products that they have in here. So yeah, if you think that sounds good, please keep watching. Thanks. Alright, so let's get into this. Ooh. So this was a pretty big box this month. I was pretty shocked. So the theme this month is Stellar. So this is what you get, this little card here in the mail. And I think this just tells you about different things that are on sale and whatnot. So when you open it up, it then tells you about all the products that are inside. So let's do that. So this wasn't one of like the products that actually, like the full-size products in the box. This was a just a sample, and it's a Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. I don't think it's enough for my whole face, so I don't even know if it's gonna match. So we'll just skip that for now. So now we have these little brushes right here. It's a brush set, and this is from BoxyCharm themselves. It's not from a different company. And these retail for $35. The large brush is a multi-purpose powder brush and it's perfect for liquids, creams, and powders or mineral products. And a foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. So I think I'm going to use these today when applying my foundation just to see how they work. Sorry, I had to switch cameras real quick. But anyway, so yes, I'll be using these brushes right here for my foundation today. Next, we have the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed. So this retails for $38 and it's award-winning highlighting powder with an ultra buttery texture that melts into the skin for the ultimate high-impact glow. So that's that. And then we have the Kypris, I don't know how to say it, but it's a antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. So I'll probably put this on for right before I put on my foundation, and this retails for $90. Next we have the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette right here by Dominique Cosmetics, and this retails for $35. Wow, these shades are really nice. Can't wait to try it. And then at the bottom they gave little eye masks. That was nice. Alright, so let's jump into these products. I'm gonna first start off by using the serum right here. I can't see the name. I really like the consistency and smell of this. It feels really nice on my skin. This has a very buttery feeling to it, for sure. So that kind of served as my primer, so I'm just going to jump right into the foundation. And I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. So I went ahead and did my concealer and powder off camera, but back to the foundation brush. I did really like it. It seemed to move the product smoothly, but I think I need to use a little bit more foundation because I think some of it got trapped in here. But anyway, so I'm going to use this to contour with my bronzer, my like cream bronzer. It's technically a foundation stick, but I'm using it as a cream bronzer, so whatever. blended the product really well. I like using it definitely for more of liquid or cream products. I'm not really sure how it would work for powder since it's not like fluffy or anything. It's kind of stiff, but yeah, I liked it for it's what I used it for today. I'm gonna go back in with this palette and go finish this eye look. I think I'm gonna do something with these orange colors right here. I might do a little bit of that color, but I think these two colors would be really fun to do. They're very electric, and yeah, and these are definitely a nice cool tone set right here, and they definitely complement each other, so I'm excited to try these. I'm actually going to go in with some of the brushes I got from last month's BoxyCharm box, the Moda brushes right here, and I'm going to first go in with this orange color right there. So I went ahead and went in with the highlighter. It didn't capture that, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Here's the highlighter. It's called Chocolate Geode, and I really like it. It really complements my skin tone. So yeah, this finishes off the eye look. I did like the brushes. I really liked the pigment in this palette right here. I used these 4 shades right here, and I'm excited to use these other ones here. I think that would be a really pretty look. So yeah, brushes work great. I really liked the consistency of the serum. It was very buttery. It basically melted into my face. Really love that. I can't wait to try the eye masks. I'll probably use one tonight. So yeah, that basically concludes the video, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.